shit. Again. But this time we're waiting for Street Dogz. They got a hold of me and they're bringing me a jacket for Lotus. And they're gonna get me hooked up with an appointment for her to get spaded and her vaccinations and shots. We're getting everything started today. I'm meeting them right here on this fucking sidewalk. Because that's how they do. So, let's see what we get.
Dirty homeless scrub. Dirty homeless scrub. Life is hell for a dirty homeless scrub. Dirty homeless scrub. Dirty homeless scrub. Life is hell for this dirty homeless scrub.
Okay, so Linda from Street Dogz stopped by a little while ago and dropped off some things. Yeah. See her jacket. Lotus. See her jacket. Yeah. They didn't give me shoes because they say they don't give out shoes until summer. But she got a new harness under there. They gave me a pillow for her, a toy, some treats. And they do this all out of just people's donations and their own pockets. So Street Dogz is an organization out here that helps homeless dogs and cats. They help their owners a bit. Like she said that she's gonna get in touch with me again probably tomorrow. Come on, girl. To get her spayed, her shots, vaccinations, and all that stuff. They help out with a lot of stuff. She told me that sometimes when they spayed animals, that they put the animal and the owner up in a hotel room for the night so the dog can recuperate. She said they don't like separating owner from animal because they would like the owner to be there for the animal. You know, it's a trauma. Oh, doggy. Doggy, doggy, doggy. Pissing on the sidewalk. Can't clean that up. All right, sit, girl. Sit.
Fucking human beings
Sit.
shit on the sidewalk.
Sit.
My dog, your dog can
Lotus, sit. Good girl.
Hey, dog, keep going.
Anyway, they work on donations. So if anybody feels nice enough to help them out because they help out homeless dogs in need, you should look up Street Dogz Las Vegas. Dogs with a Z, not an S. Because they need help helping others. Like, they do this out of the kindness of their heart. It's like all their days, they go around helping people. Some good shit. Lotus. See, there's your new harness.
I used to throw shit on my projector like that, Kool-Aid, and I would take selfies. I used to have a big wall projector. Well, it was like itty bitty, but it would fucking be massive on my wall.
Yeah, me and my brother get high over at fucking Shelter Island there, and I put this on and put the music on. It'll start following. Like, the visuals will start fitting.
Yeah.
Just want to play rough.
And it's weird because they're not connected.
They're not.
Like, because you can get the programs where, you know, you can run your fucking visual through your audio systems. Because I used to run all my lights. I usually have it all lined with lights on the top. That fucking, like at the theater, that strip lighting. I'd run fucking lighting and shit, which I'll have to do again because my speakers on my surround sound system.
That's a big old dog compared to her.
The system's Bluetooth. I can Bluetooth, you know, to
So
it.
she's gonna learn the roughness.
So I'm gonna have wire. So I'm gonna run that flat LED stripping along
Get him,
the
Lotus.
wire, and then I'll have it all hooked up.
I don't want her to accidentally miss and
through the
snap.
sound system. That way,
That's why I'm trying to get her away from my legs.
if I do turn them on,
She's trying to have a safe spot while fighting.
Yeah.
So she's rough housing with
Right.
She goes snapping him, and he moves, she grabs my leg.
Lotus, getting some more water.
The only thing I didn't like about my projector was it didn't
I
have
couldn't be
like.
mad at her because she's playing with the dog.
I
Right.
had to bought the same like,
Lotus, come here, girl.
speaker for the, you know,
Lotus.
the and all that.
Yeah.
Come here, girl.
The speaker
Lotus.
sucked on it. It got kind
Oh,
of loud.
there goes
Some
the big
movies and
doggy.
Stuff I'd watch Netflix on it, YouTube and shit.
Hey, buddy.
Listen to music. It's pretty cool. I got lucky because I was like, it was a studio apartment with this big ass like extra room, but it was like tiny. So my brother used it as a bedroom, and I stayed in the like living room area.
Lotus.
And I had a big ass blank wall. And
That was funny
projected
though. I
onto
got to
it.
tell. She thought it was him.
I'd sit in bed all day watching Netflix.
Lotus, come here, girl. Come by daddy. Come on. You getting your butt kicked? Huh? You getting your butt kicked by a big old doggy? Yep. She's got a play date. Lotus. Lotus.
I need something.
Hey, girl. Lotus.
Oh.
Well,
Awesome. Yep. She's gonna be well taken care of. Fuck you haters who say that I'm abusing her. Fuck you.
he'll lay there for hours, dude. It's kind of a game. He hasn't got that one completely undone yet. But it was a lot different when I first made
What's
it.
up, buddy?
All of these knots were like, all of them were super tight. But he's got it.
Lotus.
He's got it pretty good. I think I'm gonna fix it, Bubba.
He's like, get the fuck out of
I
here.
think I'm gonna fix it. See, he's got something else to hold his attention, but usually when I do this, he'll sit there and just stare at me like, really, motherfucker? You know how long I've been chewing on that? Yeah, fixing it again. Oh, she'll tug. She'll play.
Mm-hmm. I've been waiting to get her a play toy.
I'll have to, you know what? Hold on. This one's long enough. I can do two.
I got a box cutter.
In my jacket pocket still, right?
Wait a second. Wait a minute.
Lotus, sit. You gotta wait, little one. Oh, you got some? Okay. Get him! Get him! I can't tell which one's growling at that point.
They have that box cutter.
I got a box cutter.
It's not that it's
Lotus.
the type of
because
rope.
okay.
I mean, this
Box
rope,
cutter?
Lotus.
Lotus.
You can swing from
Wow,
this rope,
she's actually
and it's
jumped at his
fucking
ass.
grinding against fucking sandstone for hours and hours
it's
a day.
climbing
This-
rope.
yeah, this
Lotus,
is a
you need to
pretty
relax,
hard
girl.
That's why I just
climb.
called.
It was like 75 meters.
So she could calm down.
But
Yeah, alright, he calmed down. Now she needs to.
What is that yard?
Come here, girl. Lotus. Yeah,
trying to
let me
think,
grab it.
'cause-
Come here, girl. Come by daddy.
you don't measure climbing in yards.
Got her.
Untouched.
Yeah.
Hey, Lotus, who's that? Do you see
I
yourself?
could top rope.
Can you see yourself?
I could probably top rope a 10, maybe an 11, so 150 feet. 150 feet easy.
Doggy cam. Doggy cam. We see what the doggy sees.
What are you doing?
No, we don't. It doesn't work. I should get a GoPro and tie it to her.
Mounted up.
Puppy cam. She can be a cameraman. No, Lotus. Hold on. You gotta wait. Be patient. Be patient, girl.
Hi, big boy.
Yep, lay on my lap. Good girl. Good girl. You want some cancer?
Please.
Stay, Lotus. Stay. Be a good girl and stay.
Also, YouTube my blank.
Look at that. She's already listening to my stay command. Awesome. Good girl. Here you go, Bromo.
Here, I'll let you make a game out of it for her too. Cause that's the funnest part is I tie whatever the fuck I can tie in it.
Give it to me, I'll make her a noose.
Well, she's his dog, kinda.
Yeah.
So it's the game between, you know, fucking he ties it and then she works her ass off to get it undone.
And she likes the rope already, so
Awesome.
hey.
Buddy,
You
like
like
I
the
said,
rope,
if
girl?
there's nobody around, or like honestly, if we were all here and she wasn't here, and I did that, dude, he'd be sitting right here just staring at me like, really, motherfucker? Because it's a game, and then like I'll let him get like halfway through it, and then I'll tighten it all back up.
Come on, girl. Gotta walk back to the sleep spot. You had a long night, didn't you? Come on, girl. I know, it's almost midnight. You had a long day with your new friend, huh? Stop shaking the camera, girl. Good girl. Stop shaking the camera. Lotus, do you like your pillow? This is the pillow / bed that Street Dogz provided. Yeah. You comfortable, girl? Huh? It's actually not that hot out. I mean, cold out tonight. Good shit. As you can see, we got a new sleep spot. And we have permission to be at this location. The owner of this restaurant okayed it. The only bad thing is, you see that circle right there? Every morning he comes and lifts that up. Because that's the sewage, and he's got to fuck with it every morning. So it stinks like a motherfucker. Alright, well, I'm going to call this a wrap. Obviously, we're getting ready for bed. So, yeah. Don't forget to smash that like button. If you're not a subscriber, why the fuck not? Hit that subscribe button. Alright, peace.